a step-by-step guide to caring for your dog. Hi and welcome to our channel dedicated to all things canine. Today, we're going to talk about how to properly care for your furry friend. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or have years of experience, it's important to know the basics of dog care to keep your pup happy and healthy. Let's start with feeding. It's important to provide your dog with a balanced and appropriate diet that meets their age and lifestyle needs. Consult with your veterinarian for recommendations on the best food for your dog. Make sure to follow the serving instructions on the dog food packaging, and avoid overfeeding, which can lead to obesity and other health problems. Next up, hydration. It's crucial to provide your dog with fresh water at all times. Change the water regularly and make sure your dog has access to clean water throughout the day. If your dog isn't drinking enough water, consider switching to a wet food diet or adding ice cubes to their water bowl. Exercise is another important aspect of dog care. Regular physical activity helps keep your dog physically and mentally healthy. This can include daily walks, playtime, and training sessions. Make sure to adjust the amount and type of exercise to your dog's age, breed, and health status. Good dental care is also essential for your dog's overall health. Brush your dog's teeth regularly, and consider giving them dental chews and toys to help maintain good oral hygiene. If you notice any problems with your dog's teeth, such as bad breath or broken teeth, make an appointment with your veterinarian. Grooming is another important aspect of dog care. Brush your dog regularly to remove any tangles, mats, and dead hair. Bathing your dog occasionally is also recommended, but make sure to use a gentle dog shampoo that won't dry out their skin. Check your dog's skin regularly for any signs of infection or irritation, and report any concerns to your veterinarian. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are also crucial for your dog's health. Make sure to keep up to date with your dog's vaccines, and take them for regular checkups to catch any health problems early on. Your veterinarian can also provide you with recommendations on flea and tick prevention, as well as heartworm medication. If your dog is exhibiting behavioral issues, such as aggression or fear, don't hesitate to seek help from a professional dog behaviorist. With the right help, many behavioral issues can be resolved, and you can enjoy a happy and healthy relationship with your furry friend. That's it for today's video on dog care. Remember, a happy and healthy dog requires regular attention to their physical and mental well-being. By following these basic care tips, you'll be well on your way to providing your pup with a long and fulfilling life. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from our channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.